Hello, today I'll be teaching on how to get your sizes from your how to measure out your size from your last, from your sole pattern, from your insole. So for example, this is a shoe last, a male shoe last. So for you to get the size of this last, we use our measuring tape. We start from 15 centimeter, the line just above 15 centimeter, the line above centimeter downwards. So if you look at this issue last, you notice that your toes, the toes of your leg doesn't get to the beginning of the last. So what do? You just leave, you bring your 15 centimeter downwards a little. Then when you now measure down, it will give you size 41. It will give you size 41 when you measure down. It's size 41. So this last is size 41. So for example, you're measuring this a last for making a slippers, a palm. So if you want to get the same thing here, for this one, you know that the toe gets to the front of the sandal or slippers, so you measure from the tip of it down. So this is 41 also. This is also 41. So for example, you still want to measure a sole. For example, this is a sole, a shoe sole, a sneaker sole. So you can just measure from here down. See that the line did not get to the tip of the sole, because your toes cannot get to this tip. So you just bring it down a little. So when you now measure, the sole is 41. So is 41. So this also a shoe sole, so when you measure this one also, to give you, remember I said your toes does not get to this beginning of the sole or the last, so you bring it down a little. So when you measure, it will give you 41. So that's 41 there. So now if you want to now do your sole insole pattern for slippers or sandal, if you want to measure it, you measure the same thing like this. This is 39, right? Remember I said this is 38. Remember I said a line just above 15 centimeter, you just measure it down. This will give you 38. So for example, we want to let me teach how to increase the size. So let me teach how to increase the size or decrease the size of a sole pattern. So when you measure this now, like this, so this is our measurement. This is 38. Size 38. So when we measure it, is size 38. So if we want to increase the size, so maybe 31. The difference in sizes is always half inch. It's always half inch. So what you do is just measure half inch like this. You mark your half inch here, and you place your sew pattern. When you place your sew pattern, you bring it down to where you marked. Then you can just, use your pen to rule just the base. So when you rule the base, this size will now be 39. So that's how it goes. But it gets to a point, maybe when you're doing when you're using, you can't use, it's not advisable for you to use a sew pattern of 38 to be increasing the size to, let me say, up to 41 or 42. It's not advisable because the shape of the insole, immediately you are increasing the sizes, the shape also supposed to increase in width. So it's not advisable for you to use a smaller size. You'll be increasing it to get, sizes like 41, 42, 43. It's not advisable. So it's better you can use 38 to get 39. You can use 38 to get 39. Then you can use just sizes that are close to each other. That's what is advisable for you to do. So now let's see how we can decrease the size. This one is increasing the size, which is a plus, right? So let's see how we can decrease the size. It's just the same process, but now you have to minus. So you do your sew pattern like this, then you take your measuring tape. Remember I said this is 38. So take your measurements. Let's do our lines very well so that we can see it. So what you do is, from here, from on this one, we got our half outside of the sew pattern. We got our half outside of the sew pattern, but this one we'll do it inside. So let's bring out our half here, half inch here. So our half inch here, you now take your sew pattern inside a bit, then just do your sew pattern, the base of your sew pattern. Just mark it so that this size now becomes 37, right? This size becomes 37. This is minus, this is plus. Hope you understand what I just explained. This is minus, this is minus, this is plus. So also, like I said, when you are decreasing, you still need to consider the width of your sew pattern. As it's decreasing, the width also decreases. So it's better you use sizes that are close to be decreasing, right? So that's pretty much how to get your measurement for your sizes, decrease your sew pattern or add your sew pattern. Hope you understand. I believe you understand what I just did. If you have any question, if you have any comment, you can drop it on the comment box. We can share ideas and questions will be answered. So, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share our videos, so that turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop new videos, you always see them. These are simple things that you can easily do at home. Thank you for watching.